this. If I can find, hold on, if I can find a picture of what my hair looked like before, oh my god, I'm gonna insert it. But this is my hair now. This is my hair now. Look at this.
Damn, my diamonds cold. Damn, my golden clothes. Walking in, it's a show. Walking in, it's a show. Flashlight, 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 yeah.
What's good, everybody? Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is Ashanterene if you guys are new here. So for today's video, we're gonna be talking about the rice water for hair growth. You guys, oh my god, I've been wanting to try this out for ever, but for whatever reason, like, I never, excuse that gnat, okay, excuse the gnat, get out of my video. So for whatever reason, I didn't try it. I don't know why. I was procrastinating, I don't know, but I finally got the chance to do it. I'll be inserting clips and voiceovers of all the things that I did while I was making it, how I used it, and etc, etc. This is 3 weeks later results of using the actual rice water. So here is what my hair is looking like now, okay? Look at my roots and then look at where my hair is like dyed. This is only 3 weeks later, and to be honest, I've only used the rice water maybe like 5 days in a row, and from what I was reading and from what I was seeing on other YouTubers, they were saying you don't want to use it too much because you don't want to put too much protein on your hair, because too much protein for your hair is bad. So of course I didn't want to use too much of it every day. I've seen people say that they use the rice water only once a week, which I would prefer you guys to do if you guys want to like stretch it out or whatever the case may be. But my dumb self, I used it every day for like 5 days. So yeah. So I'm going to be inserting clips of how I use actual rice water and stuff like that now. Okay, you guys, so here I have a bowl and a cup of rice. Today I am using jasmine rice since that's what I have around the house. I didn't measure the rice at all. So here I'm showing you guys how much rice that I actually used. Once this is done, I'm going to go ahead and put it inside the sink and start cleaning it. I don't know where this rice has been at all, so I want to make sure I get the rice as clean as possible. So here you'll be seeing me shake the rice around, getting all the dirt and whatever else is on there off. And I'm going to be doing this at least twice to make sure I get that water as clear as possible. So now that my rice is completely cleaned, I'm going to be transferring this rice over to some Tupperware. This is all I have on hand. They usually say to use some mason jars, but since it's all that I have, this is all that I'll be using. So I'm going to be putting some more water in here and letting the water and rice sit overnight so it can ferment. It's the next day, so I'm going to be showing you guys what my rice water is looking like now. Definitely pay attention to how the rice has expanded. This is how you know that you have gotten all the protein and everything from the rice that you need to make your hair grow. So I'll be transferring this rice water to a spray bottle that I had got from the Dollar Tree. If you guys have a funnel, I definitely recommend using a funnel so you guys don't spray water all over the counter like you see me doing here. After I do that, I'm going to be adding some lavender oil to the water to mask the smell, because honestly, this stuff stinks. Now that my concoction is fully done, in these next clips, I'm going to be showing you guys a 360 what my hair is looking like dry, as well as showing you guys what I am currently working with. As you can see by my roots, my hair is freshly dyed, so I have absolutely no hair growth. So I will be showing you guys what conditioner I'll be using, and of course I'll be using my denim brush to brush my hair throughout the video, and then I'll be showing you guys how I apply the rice water throughout my hair to achieve my hair growth. So in these next clips, I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply the rice water. Just a disclaimer, I was spraying the water inside of my hair, and then honestly I just got tired of spraying it, and then I just poured all the water into my head, and then I let the rice water sit in my hair for about 15 to 20 minutes before actually rinsing the water out and then getting out the shower and then getting dressed. This, if I can find, hold on, if I can find a picture of what my hair looked like before, oh my god, I'm gonna insert it. But this is my hair now. This is my hair now. Look at this. Oh my god. Wow. That's literally all I can say. Just wow. Use this, just use it, okay? I'm 10 out of 10, would definitely recommend. Use it, do it, don't be lazy. Get up, put some rice in a bowl, whatever, do what you gotta do, okay? Do what you gotta do. So before I end today's video, the only con that I have is the smell. The smell is definitely a little stinky. I would definitely recommend putting in some essential oils in there to kind of max the smell so it doesn't stink so bad. And yeah, if you guys like today's video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Be sure to leave a comment. Let me know that you guys like today's video, and I'll see y'all in my next video that I upload. Bye!
I don't wanna be your side. Rather be your main thing. Let's jump in a pool, let's